What is endless? The name evokes something that goes on and on forever. It is a full body tile in the sense that what you see on the top is exactly what you see on the bottom. So you can keep peeling off the surface to create new ones forever. I call this collection ceramic architecture because we put two things together, granite and plain colors. We then divided the results into two categories, strong and precious. The strong variants are the more common products and the easiest to sell. In other words, white and black. The precious variants are full-bodied plain tone products that combine primary colors with rare, full-body granites. Red, yellow, blue and green. Endless is also a product that is 100% guaranteed in terms of time and location.